Okay, welcome back. I wanted to use this figure from 44 and just go through and make a tree and let you guys do the leaves. So an essay question would most likely be something like describe the different ways animals that metabolize proteins and nucleic acids metabolize the waste of proteins and nucleic acids. So just looking at the diagram, we're going to keep it as simple as possible. We can start with the aquatic animals. So you can just say most aquatic animals produce ammonia, period. Mammals mammals and most amphibians produce urea. And then finally, reptiles and birds have uric acid or produce uric acid as their waste. We could say as their nitrogenous waste probably would be better. So here is the tree. Now, if I wanted to add leaves, a couple, and I want you guys to add the leaves, but a couple of things you could do to add the leaves. Let's switch that to green. Definitely add ammonia here. You want to mention how toxic it is, right? It's toxic. Luckily, they're going to secrete it all the time in the water environment, so they don't have trouble with that. Reptiles, the uric acid, you want to mention that this is solid. If anyone's ever been hit by a bird, I hear it's good luck, but I don't think so. This is a solid one, and it's a way to keep that nitrogen toxicity down. Amphibians and mammals produce the urea, not as toxic, but it is a high energy. It takes a lot of energy to produce this urea, and just knowing the kidney and how much energy is involved in active transport of ions out of the filtrate for that. So definitely put a leaf about ammonia. You don't have to go into too much detail about the different animals, definitely not into the structures, but as I said, you want to be able to recognize the structures. So your goal without looking is, and at any given moment in class, is to be able to describe the different nitrogenous wastes produced by animals. Now, evolutionarily, you might want to put them in line phylogenetically. That's a big leaf. That's a big leaf phylogenetically, because obviously in the water, and then we had our reptiles and endothermy, and it's the endothermy with the birds that really went good and nuts, the endothermy here. Whoa, whoa, don't mess up the picture. That's about it. I want you to be able to write this without looking, and with leaves, that's your goal. So, oh, I didn't have Einstein, but I do have this cute little guy. Let me see if I can get him up here. He is a penguin, but he is solar. So when you shine light on him, he starts to dance. Let me see if I can shine some light on. Okay, maybe the lamp won't move. But trust me, he's really kind of cute. He dances back and forth with solar light. Oh, 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 okay. Woo! Enjoy. Oh, Let's hopefully resolve.